going to show you how to add emotes to your Stream Deck. So you want your Stream Deck, just go back to here, GTA Emotes. So to add an emote, you want to go to here, then you want to right click that, add a multi-action. Once you've done that, drag hotkey, so you can do, so then you want to click assign and then push T for the chat. Next you want text, and then you want to find the emote that you want to do. Let's just say we want to do twerk, so that would be \E twerk. Once you've done that, push this, press enter after message, so it works. Then with this one, I put this here so it happens immediately. So this one is for the amount of time that the key is pushed, so I reduce that right down. Next one is the amount of time in between pushing the key and then putting in the text, so I have that right down as well. Then I'll just name this twerk, and I'll go back. Probably want to name this twerk as well, even though I've got twerk already there, but just to show you guys, I like to adjust the size so it's easier to see. Oh, helps if I do that right. That's it. And I also like to put them at the top because I find them easier to see. Alright, so all that should be right. So if I remove this, I'll go out of there. I'm pushing my Stream Deck button, named twerk, and there we go. Easy as that. And I'm sure you could do more complicated things with the extra functions that you can do in there, extra actions I should say. So that's how you do it with a Stream Deck. Okay, thanks. Likes would be appreciated.